Hi, I'm Magi Helena. Let me introduce myself. Magi is my title. Helena is my name, so please call me Helena. It's great to meet you. A lot of you have asked me to share my own story, so here it is. Being a mystic runs in my family, and through my life I've been a student in more than one mystical tradition. I've always been interested in trying to find out how the universe really works. I studied Western astrology seriously for almost 20 years, and I love its poetry, but I never found any system accurate enough to actually use to improve my life. During those years, I went through a couple of heartbreaking relationships, a failed marriage, and a career change, but I didn't find the lasting love and success that I dreamed of. I was in survival mode, a single mom with no child support, just barely earning a living for myself and my son when I found Magi Astrology. That moment is when my life started to turn around. I call Magi Astrology Star-Science because it's 100% based on scientific statistical research. I went from being a student of star science to the protege of the president of the Magi Society to what I am now, one of only 2 certified Magi astrologers and the only woman at the highest level of certification. I used star science in my own life to find my soulmate, marry him on a happy and successful ever after day, and to build my thriving business. You can too. My own love, happiness, and success came a lot later in life than I'd hoped for. But I have to tell you that achieving your dreams is every bit as sweet as you imagine it. I'm just in awe at how much gratitude I feel every single day. I want to help you get out of survival mode and achieve your dreams a lot earlier than I did. My passion is to help people, and I'm so grateful I get to do that every day. Now that I'm not in survival mode anymore, giving back is on my mind a lot, and I have a lot of ideas I'm really excited about. First, let me help you get where you want to go. Then let's both work to make this a world where dreams can come true for everyone. It's great to meet you. Let's do this. Let's make it happen.